Hello friends, and welcome back to this channel. And in this video I'm going to talk about how you can be able to start creating your contents. Now already in the past video I made, or in the previous video I made, I've shown you the 3 best platforms that you can be able to create your contents on. Now let's say you don't know how to be able to create accounts on these platforms. So this is one of the things I'm going to show you in this video. Like for instance, let me say I made mention of youtube.com now, which is one of the best platforms you can host your contents on. So now let's say you can not be able to create a YouTube channel and the rest of them, customize it and the rest of them. So this is one of the things I'm going to show you in this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can now be able to create your YouTube channel, or equally how you can create a TikTok channel, and as well as how you can create a Facebook account that you can use to see that, or a Facebook page you can be able to upload your videos on and be able to monetize it. Now let's go over to, first I'll start with using youtube.com. So first of all, what you have to do is to go over to YouTube. Now what you have to understand is the fact, okay, let me put this in incognito mode so you will not be able to, what you have to so I will not be able to sign in automatically to my YouTube channel. So once I'm in the incognito mode here, what I now have to do here is to go over to youtube.com. So once I go over to youtube.com, you're going to see this is the interface you're going to see. Let's say if you're new to using YouTube, and as well as let's say you don't have a channel, this is the interface you're going to see here. Let me just allow you to load up and you're going to see the interface. Now what you have to understand about YouTube is the fact that Google owns YouTube, and because Google owns YouTube, for you to be able to use YouTube, you must first, or for you to be able to, let's say not to use YouTube, but for you to be able to create a channel on YouTube, you must first sign in to YouTube. And to sign into YouTube, you must first also have a Gmail account. Yes, so what do I mean by a Gmail? That's a Google Mail account. That's what a Gmail account is all about. So you must sign into a Gmail account, and then you can now start creating a YouTube channel using such Gmail account. So now if you click on sign in, now if you don't have a YouTube, or if you don't have a Gmail account, go over to my channel here and search on how to create a Gmail account. You'll be able to watch a video how you can be able to create a Gmail account even using your mobile phone. You can equally use your mobile phone to do all these things I'm showing you in this video. So this will be a notice. I just have a note I will have to pass out to you, that all these things I'm showing you here is something you're going to use. Like I'm making these videos for both mobile people who are people who has their smartphones and are ready to use it to create contents, and as well as if you only has a desktop. So this video is not just limited to people who are using their desktop. No, it's something that is very much applicable to you if you are using a smartphone. So whether you're using a smartphone, a desktop, a PC, or anything that has to do with visuals, you can be able to follow up and join me in anything I'm going to show you in this series, and also for the upcoming videos you're going to watch on this channel. So already I've talked about creating a Gmail account. So if you don't know how to create a Gmail account, just quickly pause this video and go over to my channel, and you'll be able to watch a video on how you can create a Gmail account. Now once you're through creating a Gmail account, what you just have to do is follow the next steps I'm going to show you here. Just click on here and sign into your Gmail. Just sign in. Once you are signing in, and okay, let me go ahead and do mine. So let me just go ahead and say I want to sign in. If I click here, I'll click on next. It will ask me for my password, and once I click on my password, I'll now be able to sign in. So this is how you can be able to sign into your YouTube. So once you sign into YouTube, let me go over here and go to YouTube. You'll be able to now see interface like this. So once you sign into YouTube, first of all, like I said, you have to sign into YouTube, and once you are through signing into YouTube, now you can now start creating a channel. So how do you now create a channel? follow me and you'll be able to learn how to create a YouTube channel. It's very easy to do that, and also I'll equally show you how to customize it. So I guess in the next video I'll be showing you how to customize a YouTube channel, and also in upcoming videos I'll be able to show you how to create a TikTok account and also a Facebook page, and how you can equally set it up so you can be able to use it for content creation. So once you're actually doing that, and I'll now go over to showing how to create contents practically as well. I will show you how to create content. So once you're on YouTube channel here, once you're on youtube.com, so let me allow you to load up so I'll be able to show you how you can now be able to create a channel. So you have to understand something, that creating a channel on YouTube, you can create as many channels as you want to create. Yes, you can create as many channels that you want to create. Now you can equally create those channels under one email address, like under one Gmail account. I don't know if you understand that. Yes, but one of the things that you have to understand about YouTube is that YouTube have policies that you need to maintain. YouTube have policies like YouTube is much more against copyright. They are much more against it. So this to show you that if you, or this to tell you that if you have much, let's say you have if you have about 2 channels or 3 channels on YouTube, and let's say they are all tagged to one email account, if one of the accounts gets violated, like you violated the rules of YouTube using one of the accounts, automatically the 3 of them might be affected because they are all linked towards one Gmail account. So this is the reason why I always suggest that when you're creating your channel or your YouTube channel, just use one Gmail account for one channel, or unless you know your contents you're going to put out are originally from you. So if they're not originally from you, then I mostly recommend you don't create as multiple channels on one Gmail account. So this is just a note you have to take note of concerning youtube.com. So once you are on youtube.com, click on once you sign in, you're going to see a dashboard like this, like mine now. It might be of different interface for you, but just have to go over to here, up here, and click on that. So once you click on that, you are seeing the icon there I clicked on. So I'm going to show you how to be able to create I guess I will change this logo. So I'm going to change my logo, the channel logo, and I will probably show you how you can now be able to do yours and input everything and set it up, customize it to be something very unique. Now as you can see, it says your channel here, and if let me quickly switch to an account. Let me quickly switch to an account. So as you can see, let me quickly switch to this one because this one does not have any channel. So I will equally show you how you can be able to do that. Let me quickly switch to this my YouTube account or Gmail account, so I'll be able to show you how you can create your YouTube channel. So once you are here, let me allow you to load up. Let's allow you to load up. Alright, so now while we are here, so what we have to do now is to navigate to this area. As you can see, this icon here, this icon at the upper right area, yes, you're seeing on this video. So click on that, and once you click on that icon, it will be able to display like I don't have any channel attached to this Gmail account. Then it will be able to display to you that you don't have any channel as well. So you're going to follow me step by step, and I'll show you how to create a YouTube account. So you just have to click on this create a channel. As you can see here, it says create a channel. So once you click on this create a channel, it will automatically create a YouTube channel for you. So equally it will recommend or require for you to input a name you want the channel to answer. I don't know if you get that. So now let me do that. Once I click on it, as you can see, it says here name. Is this the name you want to answer on YouTube? Is this the name you want to? So now I have to let you understand something here. For you to create your YouTube channel, you have to understand like already we've talked about how you can be able to get validate a niche you've chosen. For instance, I talked about food recipes, I talked about politics and the rest of them. So for you to write create a channel on YouTube, what you have to understand is that a name you get on YouTube is something that can equally help you in search engine optimization. Yes, in search engines, in SEO. What do I mean by that? For instance, let's say if I want to start a food blog, I can say food recipe blog. I'm sorry, let's say food recipe channel, something like that, now. Or I can say something like food recipe in Nigeria. Now, the reason why this thing is mostly recommended, or why I equally recommend your channels to be in this kind of format, is because once people search for or make a search on YouTube now and they see a channel name bearing food recipe in Nigeria, and there are people who are likely like all the dishes they want to learn about is dishes that are pertaining to Nigerians, what Nigerians eat and the rest of them, they are more likely to focus on your videos and watch your videos. I don't know if you understand that. Now, if also you are doing, let's say you are politics, you say politics review, you understand? You can say politics review. Yeah, of course, if you want to cover a broad statistics. For what do I mean by that? Let's say you want to talk about or review about politics all over the world, you can say politics review. But if you want to review only in Nigeria, you can say politics review in, I don't know if you understand this, in Nigeria. And this is one of the easiest way, or one of the things that you can do. I don't know if you understand. So this is something that can help you, or can help you, to get more attraction from YouTube, because once people search for something like this, they are most likely to see your channel. When they see your channel, they are most likely to click and subscribe to their channel and be able to keep watching videos that are specific to your channel. So for instance, what I'm going to do here, let me quickly choose a name for my own videos, or for my own contents. Now also you have to understand, let's not forget that while you are creating videos on youtube.com, that you can equally change your channel name, but most of the times it is not much recommended for you to change your channel name in the long run. That is why most of the time it's okay for you to start from the beginning, to input a channel name that that you can work on, or you can work with. I don't know if you understand, because this is just like, let's say you are answering a food blog name, and as well as maybe in the long run you now want to change to fashion, but you discover that those videos that you've already created for food and the rest of them will now be irrelevant, because fashion and food does not relate. So that is why you need a name that always relates with what you are doing. For instance, in my own, I would just like to answer Martin Victor. So but just take note that you can equally change your name. Yes, you can equally change your name. So you don't need to upload any picture here. You don't need to upload any picture. I'm going to show you, because you are not going to get, you are less likely to get the range of this picture you are seeing here to be on your channel. So you are going to upload this picture later, as I'm going to show you in the next video how you can be able to customize your YouTube channel and set it up completely. Set it up so that it can be well organized. So what I have to do is to click on create channel. So once you click on create channel, your channel will be created for you. So this is how you can be able to create a channel on youtube.com. So this is how you can be able to create a channel on youtube.com. So I've created a channel now, as you can see in this video. It's very easy to do that, and you can equally do this using your mobile phone. You can equally do this using any browser at all, or any smartphone, or any digital device at all that has access to the internet. So this is how you can be able to create a YouTube channel, and it's very easy to do. So I will show you step by step how you can now be able to customize it, because the customization is where you now have a little things, or little ideas that you need to incorporate into your YouTube channel. I don't know if you understand that. So in the customization process, we're going to see all that, and I'm going to show you how you can be able to upload your picture, how you can be able to create your banners, and I'll show you a website that can equally help you. You'll be able to use, even if you're not a graphics editor, how you can be able to create the channel, channel banner, how you can be able to create a channel profile picture, how you can be able to create a lot of things. So that's one of the things I'm going to show you. So as you can see, my channel has been created and it's telling me to upload a video, or I can learn how to get started. Now yes, you can see here, customize channel, manage videos, and the rest of them. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can be able to customize your channel and set it up correctly. So see you in the next video, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel and follow, share this video with your friends, and you also like, give me a thumbs up, and comment. Also let me know the hitches or one of the things you want me to improve while I'm making this video on the videos on this series. See you in the next video.